On this page, we have a map where we will draw where we want to have our dust control applied. This map is closer to the bottom of the screen. The top of the screen includes, in a blue box, a series of instructions which are the same as what I will explain here. By default, the map is zoomed into the parcel of land containing the dust control address we entered a few screens ago. Recall in our case, it was 740.012 Range Road 41. Let's use the plus and minus buttons to the left side of the map to get a better idea of where we are. So we're going to zoom out a little bit here. And now we see the full parcel of land containing our address. Let's zoom into the road so we can draw exactly where we want the dust control applied. So I'm going to pan over a little bit to the approach. I'm going to use the plus buttons to zoom into my road, and let's just go out a little bit more. So here we're going to draw a line to represent where we want the dust control applied. First, we need to click the polyline button. You can think of this button as a draw line button. Basically, it activates the drawing tool. Back on the map, let's left click once where we want our dust control to start. In this case, just a little south of our approach. You'll notice that as you move your cursor around, in the right of the map, the top right of the map, it will show how long your line is going to be. When you've identified where you want your dust control to finish, double click and the line will finish. If we scroll down, we see the application has done the math for us and calculated a cost for the dust control line we drew. If we've made any mistakes, however, at all with our drawing, we can click the Erase tool, and that will erase the line we drew. If we want to redo our line, we click Polyline again, which we have to do anytime we want to draw a line. So we click the Polyline tool, and now, once again, we click once where we want the dust control to start, and then we double click where we want the dust control to finish. Just to note that the Zoom to Inputted Address button allows the map to reset to the address you initially entered for dust control. This is a useful button if you get lost on the map at any point. It will basically recenter you to your dust control address. If we scroll back down, we see the math that was calculated for us. So for this particular order, we are going to be owing $770. Please note that the actual order length is rounded up to the nearest multiple of 25 in order to meet standard order length requirements. So it may vary slightly from what you drew on the map. If everything looks good to us, we will click Pay Now.